ever wondered how hackers actually break into systems by brute forcing SSH credentials and silently escalate to root like it's nothing? Well, today's TryHackMe Room library is going to show you exactly that. We will enumerate services, crack SSH credentials, and use sneaky sudo L privilege escalation to grab root access. It's a fun ride you don't want to miss. And hey, if you are into hacking and CTF, hit that subscribe button. More cool stuff's coming soon. Let's get started. Go below and copy the IP and open the terminal and type nmap sc for default scripts, sv to enumerate the version, and paste the IP here. And we're gonna type T4 to speed up the scans, and we're gonna save this output as normal and the file as initial and enter. After a few minutes, Nmap scan has been completed. If you see here, port 22 and 80 is open, which is SSH and HTTP. And also in this HTTP header, we can see robot.txt is open, and also we can see the server version, which is Apache 2.4.18. And what we can do is we can just copy the IP, open a browser and open a new tab, and paste the IP here. This looks like a static web page, and also if you click any functions here, it doesn't work. It's just a static web page. And also if you see here, this blog is posted by Miliodas. So this is an username. So this is could be a hint. We can save this. And also in the nmap scan, we can see robots.txt is open. So we can check that. It says user agent rock you. So this could be a hint. You can try brute forcing SSH because the SSH is open using the username Miliodas and using this word list rockyou.txt. And also what I did is I have tried to enumerate this hidden directories using a word list, but I couldn't find anything interesting. Now open a new tab, type Hydra L Miliodas and P for mentioning the word list, which is located in user share wordless slash rockyou.txt. And also we need to paste the IP here, which is this, and type SSH and enter. After a few minutes, Hydra has found the credentials. So now what we can do is we can type SSH Miliodas, and the IP should be just minimize this and copy the IP and paste it here and enter. Type S and copy the creds, paste it here and then enter. Now we have an SSH access by the user Miliodas. So now what we can do, we can type ls and get the user.txt from here. So now we need to escalate a privilege to get a root flag. For that, what we can do first, we need to check what and all binaries we can execute as a sudo privilege user. So in that, we can see we can run a Python to execute a program called back.py. So which is located in Amelia's home directory. So now what we can do, we can try to remove that back.py and type yes. So now we have removed that. We can just check it. Yes, it is gone now. Now what we can do, we can create a touch back.py and echo. So we can execute a Python. So we need a Python script to escalate the privilege. For that, I'll go to my browser and open HackTools. In that, in the shell, just copy import pty on win/bash. Just copy that. Open a terminal again and just paste it here. So because we can't use double quotes here because already it is mentioned in the script. So I'm just opening using a single quotes and again single quotes, and we're gonna save this as back.py and enter. So now we can check it is saved in back.py. Yes, now it is saved in back.py. Now what we can do, we can run sudo just user bin python, and we have saved the file in Miliodas home directory. So Miliodas back py and enter. So now if you ask this, now we are root. We have successfully escalated the privilege And also, if you go and check here in the root directory, we have um, so this is the easy way to solve this room. If you like this video, please subscribe and chat your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.